Welcome to Best Choice. The best Sonic Speedway is probably one of the most iconic and beloved video game characters brought to life in brick form, offering fans a nostalgic trip back to Green Hill Zone with incredible detail and playability. This set captures the essence of Sonic's speed and adventurous spirit, making it a must-have for both LEGO enthusiasts and Sonic aficionados alike, promising hours of fun and display-worthy moments. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, also known as Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included. This starship is ready for action with a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for thrilling escapes. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area within the cargo hold. Recreate intense battles from the Mandalorian series. Use the included weapons to engage in exciting showdowns against the Scout Trooper and other adversaries. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is the perfect gift for any Star Wars fan. It's an ideal present for boys and girls aged 10 and up, for birthdays or any occasion. What we like. This set brings the iconic starship from The Mandalorian right into your hands. It includes beloved characters and exciting play features like a detachable escape pod. If you are a fan of the series and love collecting characters, this is the perfect set for you. What people say. The build is surprisingly sturdy and holds up well to play. The minifigures are incredibly detailed and accurate to the characters. It's a fun and engaging build for both kids and adult fans of the franchise. Number 4. LEGO Super Mario Nintendo Entertainment System 71374. Relive the golden age of gaming with this incredible building set. You can construct a detailed replica of the classic Nintendo Entertainment System, complete with its iconic controller. This set features a unique TV that displays a classic Super Mario Bros. Scene. Turn the handle to scroll the screen and bring the 8-bit world to life. To unlock its interactive features, you'll need the LEGO Mario figure. Place him on top of the TV to see him react to the on-screen action. Every detail of the original console is recreated in LEGO bricks. From the opening slot for the game pack to the realistic locking function, it's a true collector's item. Once built, this impressive model makes a fantastic display piece. It's a perfect gift for any Super Mario Bros. Fan, bringing a piece of gaming history into your home. With clear, illustrated instructions, building this set is a joy. It's a creative activity that combines the fun of LEGO with the nostalgia of classic gaming. What we like. Relive the golden age of gaming with this incredibly detailed NES replica. It even brings the classic Super Mario Bros. Game to life interactively when paired with a LEGO Mario figure. If you are a retro gaming enthusiast or a Super Mario fan looking for a unique display piece with interactive elements, this is a must-have. What people say. The build is surprisingly sturdy and holds up well to play. The Sonic minifigure is incredibly detailed and a great representation of the character. The set includes several iconic elements from the Sonic games, like the golden rings and the checkerboard landscape. Number 3. Space Exploration Shuttle 12 in 1 STEM Building Kit. Embark on an incredible journey with this 12 in 1 Space Exploration Building Kit. It offers endless possibilities for young adventurers. Construct a variety of fascinating space vehicles, from shuttles to rockets, with this 566-piece set. It's perfect for creative minds. Discover the wonders of space while developing essential skills. This toy enhances hands-on ability, creativity, and imagination. With clear instructions included, building these models is a breeze. Spend quality time creating and playing together. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, these durable blocks ensure safe and long-lasting fun. Colorful stickers add a vibrant touch. Looking for the perfect gift for ages 6 and up? This educational building kit sparks imagination and makes an ideal present for any occasion. What we like. This set offers incredible value with 12 different space-themed models to build, from shuttles to rockets. It's designed to make learning about aerospace fun and engaging for kids. If you're looking for an educational gift that encourages creativity, problem-solving, and a love for space exploration, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The set is a fantastic build, with great detail and accuracy to the game. The minifigures are well designed and capture the characters perfectly. It's a fun and engaging build for both kids and adults, with plenty of playability. Number 2. LEGO Super Mario 64 Block 71395. Relive the magic of the classic Super Mario 64 video game with this iconic brick-built version. It's a nostalgic tribute to a beloved game, reimagined in LEGO style. Celebrating 25 years of Super Mario 64, this collectible LEGO set is designed for adults. It features 10 microfigures, bringing the game to life. Open the block to reveal instantly recognizable game levels. Explore Peach's Castle, Bob-O-MB Battlefield, Cool Mountain, and Lethal Lava Trouble. This detailed 3D model comes with microfigures of Mario, Yoshi, Princess Peach, King Bob-O-MB, and more. You'll find characters like Big Bully, Lakitu, and Penguins too. For a fully interactive experience, add a LEGO Mario or LEGO Luigi figure from the starter courses. Discover hidden secrets and bring your creations to life. This large, 2064-piece building set is the perfect birthday present, holiday gift, or surprise treat. It's ideal for adults and teenagers who love LEGO and Super Mario. What we like. Celebrate the 25th anniversary of Super Mario 64 with this stunning 3D model. It opens up to reveal iconic game levels and comes with a vast array of microfigures. If you are a dedicated fan of Super Mario 64 and appreciate intricate detail and nostalgia, this collectible set is perfect for you. What people say. The build is surprisingly sturdy and holds up well to play. The minifigures are incredibly detailed and accurate to the game characters. It includes several iconic elements from the Sonic games, like the rings and checkered ground. Number 1. Pods 4D Sonic Collectible Figure. Introducing the Pods 4D Sonic figure, a unique collectible that brings the world of Sonic to yours. It's designed to burst into your reality with a stunning 4D effect. Get ready for a magical experience with high-resolution 3D lenticular backgrounds. This feature makes Sonic appear to leap right out of his world and into yours. These figures connect to any other Pods 4D in seconds, allowing you to build your own unique display. Show them off on any wall, shelf, or ledge. This Sonic figure is part of the Pods 4D collection, featuring both modern and classic versions. Start collecting your favorite characters today. Each character is meticulously detailed with micro-paint application and mounted in a hex pod. The high-resolution backdrop and 4D effect truly bring your figure to life. This is an officially licensed product from Sega. Pods 4D features merchandise from leading brands like DC, Marvel, Disney, and more. What we like. Experience your favorite characters like never before with this unique 4D display. The lenticular background makes Sonic appear to burst into your world, and you can connect multiple pods to create your own display. If you love collecting Sonic merchandise and want a dynamic, customizable display that stands out, this is the perfect addition. What people say. The quality of these items was more than expected. This one seems like an upgrade. They switched the text out to a background image and the paint job is better on the figure. It's also more durable. The background shifts when you move it, but I don't know the name of it, but it's pretty cool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.